Good evening, my weed-loving friends. So for tonight's meal, you're gonna need the equivalent of about 6 potatoes. I use these, white potatoes, whatever you call them. So I got them grouped there. It shows about what 6 full-size russets would be. You're gonna need an onion. I like to cook with cast iron skillet to add iron for my lady. You're going to need these spices: black pepper, parsley, garlic powder, garlic salt, a little classic olive oil, and then we're also going to need some Johnsonville better cheddar bratwurst, which we're going to pre-cook, and then we're going to cut up and put in there. So my buddy Johnny, you were asking for the recipe. Here it is so far: 1 onion, 6 potatoes, a dash of this and that to your flavor. We're pretty white flavored in this house, at least some of us, and we keep it that way. So, and then weed oil. So the first thing we're going to start with here is, got that pre-sprayed with spray-on olive oil, and we're going to go ahead and add, I think that's probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cannabis cooking oil. Alright. Then what I like to do is cut up the onion next and get that sauteing while basically I cut up the potatoes and stuff. So hold on with the magic movie stuff. We're going to pause this and be... Alright, so about halfway through the potatoes, a little more, I like to put them in the pan and salt and pepper and season them. Then I like to add more potatoes and kind of repeat that process. You can see I've been sauteing the onions in here for a minute. I added about a half a stick of butter to this olive oil and wheat oil potato onion combo so far. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I have the cheddar wurst air frying at 400 for 10 minutes. I like to pre-cook it. I might even take what grease comes off of it and dump it in here. Maybe not. So the goal is we're going to basically let this stuff, we're kind of like a medium high here. We're going to let this cook for about 40 minutes altogether. That's including about the time that I basically put in the brats and everything all together. Basically, once I get all the potatoes in there, I'm going to let this go for about, like I said, roughly about 40-45 minutes. I'm going to let this all turn to liquid with the water from the potatoes and the oil and stuff. And then when the potatoes start to get soft, then I'm going to fry them a little bit more where they start getting crispy. Alright, see you guys in a few minutes.